guys, open my new pen release. So I basically got two new pens. The first one is the white one and the second one is the pink one. But the white one, it was broken, so I gave it to my cousin. She really liked it and she started using it and she really liked it. And the pink one, okay, anyway. And anyways, and the pink one, and I'm so scared because there's a charger and I don't like it when there's a charger. Okay. Tiles, then? Huh? I thought it wasn't a stars, but anyways. Here's how it looks like. There's the boxes. Ma.
Asan yung ano nito yan? Mga ibang bala.
Oh my gosh, it comes with a charger.
Hindi ako para malinis.
Okay, what's this? Hey, what's this?
Brand.
Huh?
Dead tone here.
It's pink. Yes, I wanted the pink one. That was white and red.
Nabili ko na lang ng kulang.
It's for iPad. What's this? Is it like anime? But here's the instructions. I don't really need instructions, but okay, and here's the charger. Put it over here.
Oh, ito pwede ko i-try. Sarado pa. Diba buksan? Ito yung pang case try.
How can I put the charger? Oh,
Sige, ikaw na muna.
it's so much trusty,
Gagawin pa tayo.
but where is it?
Okay
It's
na,
not
diba?
visible. Oh.
Tapos, tapos lang ito.
Oh my gosh, I'm so wrong. Okay, is there like a manual or something?
Ay, ito.
Okay, I don't have an iPad, but my mom still doesn't have it.
Dali na.
Wait, oh, there's glitter on it. I thought it had no glitter on it because when we ordered it, I thought that there was like no, there was like glitter, and then I thought that
May action talaga.
it is hand glitter.
Vacuum lang, hindi siya blow.
Yes.
Pero may ano, may parang kumukulo. Yung parang pag inanit mo rito, may hibot ng model.
Is there like a big thing like a block? But what is it? I think it's like look at this. But I think it's like
Sorry.
no.
Ay! You're recording ba? Sorry. Sorry.
It's okay. I like it. It's kind of. Mommy, I think it's low bat.
Asan yung charger mo? Asan yung charger?
But it doesn't have a block. A block.
Ano black?
Black, the bead that you have. The B.
Ay, hindi.
Mr. David. Mr.
Yung
David.
sa'yo i-charge sa charger kasi ganyan. Para pag na-puno mo siya, mag-i-stop siya.
Type C.
Hindi, sa charger mo, hindi dito sa charger.
Nasa taas pa kasi.
Gun charger kasi yun eh.
Ayoko makuk eh. Ako na.
Hindi lang sa charger ko mo. Hindi na,
Make my
Diyan,
mom.
hindi kasi gun charger yan.
What I bought.
Saan charger dito?
I'm
Hindi
gonna...
yan. Yan.
Anyway, I'm gonna open this and I think it's...
Dito yung mga gun charger yung nandyan.
Because I think the top...
Yan, gun charger yan.
Maybe. So... Wait, what's this? This.
How did you know that it's low bat?
Because it's not working.
Baka kailangan pang i-connect ano. Kasi parang nakapuno naman eh. There's 3 red.
Three reds.
Oo.
Okay, but anyways, bye.